Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On today's episode, we're talking once again about Jack Daniels. This is the Bonded Rye, a new release from them.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button, click that notification bell. Matt, tell me more about this.
All right, so the Bonded series, now the new third one here is this Jack Daniels Bonded Rye. Last summer they had to come out with their last two, and of course they have the regular one, then they have their triple, and then of course this beautiful thing now, this rye. Which the funny thing is, we found out that Jack Daniels didn't actually start laying down rye until 2011, so it's really a rather new product for a company that's been around for almost 150 years now. Pretty awesome that they're actually, it's a little over 150, it's like 160 almost, but yeah, pretty cool. So like I said, obviously it's 50%. It's balled and bond, one distiller, one season, at least 4 years of government bonded warehouse. Now we do know that from some interviews I found with Chris Fletcher, who is their master distiller, this is 7 years old, so it's actually a little bit older, which is very nice of them to do that for us. It is their standard rye mash bill, 7% rye, 18 corn, 12% malted barley. Now this part is interesting. They do charcoal filter with Lincoln County process, but it only go through 3 feet of charcoal rather than the 10 on the standard, because apparently rye doesn't do as well with it, which is interesting to find that out as well. So that's how they're starting to do their ryes now. So that's very cool. Like I said, new permanent impression to their thing. So let's see what we think of this. Of course it's green because, it's rye. So, shocker on the label. There have many other ryes that we've certainly thoroughly enjoyed the cask strength. So looking forward to trying this.
Absolutely. I don't know who started the trend on green rye labels, but man, did that ever catch on.
You are not kidding. There are so few that are not. Like, there's a few, but not many that aren't green.
Yeah.
But good job. At least makes it easy to find.
I wonder what part doesn't do well. I wonder what he means by it doesn't do well with the Maple County process.
I think this just kind of takes away some of the flavor or whatever. They said it just does better with only 3 feet rather than 10.
Interesting.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Smells like a rye. Nice sweet molasses, winter fresh, a little bit of bramble, black pepper, oak, sweet.
Yeah. Very minty, very black pepper dominant.
Yeah, a lot of rye. Black pepper, blackberry, a little bit even. Interesting.
A little bit of that corn dustiness is floating around there.
Yeah, because it's still, what is it, 18% corn? Yeah, so. But it's unique rye mash. Well, most ryes, you're finding going to be 95.5s or like 51, 53. 70 is a unique thing that you don't see a whole lot of 70% ryes. But yeah, I like that. It's a nice nose.
I like it when they play around with the mash bill because it makes me feel like at least they tried to dial it in. Right? Like it wasn't just we're just going to do this one like everybody else does.
Right. It's like, screw it. Let's do the same thing everyone else does. No, it smells really nice. Like I said, it smells like, a less proofy version of the one we love at the cask strength version.
I'm not getting any dill. I'm not getting
zero dill.
Anise or root beer.
No, not really.
It's really just that peppermint spearmint and black pepper.
And this dusty note.
Uh-huh.
Almost the antique we get on some of the bourbons, but like a dusty rye.
Yeah.
It's like, think of like really heavy smoke, but not smoky, dusty. Like if you went to like an old dusty room that you hadn't been in a long time.
And then somebody sneezed.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, smell good. See what it tastes. Ooh, a little bit sweeter than I expected there. I don't see it's quite rye. A little bit more oak. Some of the corn is coming out. Black pepper. And that blackberry. There is more anise, I'd say, though, on the palate. It was not on the nose at all. Orange. Ooh, like a charcoal. A little bit of barbecue in there. Ooh, vanilla, brown sugar, some maple candy. Oh, what else?
Orange clove.
Yeah.
Black pepper. Very heavy char.
It's also very drying.
Yes, very tree bark, very burnt wood.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it must have been a really heavy char on these barrels, I gotta figure.
That's what it seems.
Wow. I like it. That's nice. It's a unique.
Or maybe
different
that's
rye.
what the Maple County charcoals do.
And that could be. Maybe that is. Maybe that is what's bringing it. Maybe it's the charcoal filtering. That could be it too.
I could imagine another 7 feet of that might not play well.
Yeah.
If that is what's bringing that.
I would love to try it both
Woody-
ways just for
Science.
just to see what does it taste like at 10 feet? What does it taste like at 8 feet? What's it at 6 feet? Just to see, because it'd be interesting.
Yeah.
So if
Especially
Jack Daniels wants to let us know, that'd be cool.
because they do the new make, right? It goes new make into the charcoal filtration, then into wood.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
In fact, we do have the new make rye. We should review that. I forgot I have that in the other room. I do have the new make rye. Yeah, you know what? In the next few weeks, we'll do that one for you guys. I forgot I had that. It's quite nice. So we will do the new make rye for you guys as well.
Yeah, I like that idea. This is tasty stuff.
This is good.
What's my price point?
Price point's $35 or under. So Ball and Bond
For a rye at 100?
can't really go wrong with that.
7, 8 years old, you said?
Yeah, 7 years old, and theoretically should be, as soon as it gets out to the rest of the market, should be able to find it pretty much everywhere, more or less. This is Jack Daniels, which is sweet. So, yeah. I mean, I've been loving this series. Their bonded series has been really nice and great price point. So, can't complain. So, I give it to them, making great. And even their cast strength stuff's like still $70 or less. I mean, it's great stuff.
Yeah.
I need to review the hazmat too, which we should definitely do that soon. So,
All right, everybody. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We go live every Monday night, deep diving into a whiskey topic. Get access to some of the behind-the-scenes fun by joining the Patreon page. And until next time, keep on crusading for better whiskey in your glass. Cheers.
Just realized we could do an entire Jack Daniel rye night at this point. There's so many different ryes from them.
Wow.
I mean, because you got the regular one, the regular single barrel. You got this one. You've got the cast strength. You've got the limited release one. You've got some of the older ryes they brought a few years ago. It's like at least 6. Huh. We should do those blind one night. Granted, I think the one we know is going to win is going to be the cast strength.
You're good. We haven't started the video yet. I haven't 5-4'd or nothing.
I haven't 5-4'd or nothing.
How will you feel better?
If I could rip the teeth out of my mouth, that would feel great.
Yeah, that sounds horrible.
Tooth pain is the worst. I live with chronic pain, and this is worse than that.
Ew.
Yeah.
Did you go to the dentist tomorrow?
I gotta call him tomorrow. It started on Friday night.
Oh, that blows.
Yeah, so she's been dealing with this for a little bit now.
You're screwed because you're not open.